Morning, everybody. This is September 12th. Happy Tuesday, pre-market session. I have some time, maybe 10-15 minutes. Let's quickly review all the zones for today's trade. This pre-market session is only for today's trade only. So those who are new, basically there's some lines here you see. Focus on green lines and red lines. Treat green lines as buy lines or support lines and red lines as sell line or resistance lines. And actually, I'm gonna get rid of this hull moving average to make it not confusing. And then middle. You see this middle line, white line. This is no trade line, okay, which means this is area to not trade, no advantage or to bulls and bears. So we wait for price to go down to the buy zone, then we buy, or wait for price to come to the sell zone, or then we sell or short. Okay, the lower we go, the better the buy and the best buy is near third standard deviation. Same thing above. Best sell is near third standard deviation, which is the third red line. Okay, so where are we right now? Futures, you can see US 500 is right in the middle, no trade zone. Yesterday we had a massive pump near first standard deviation. Sold here. Now we're just in the middle, so which means basically you have to do nothing here. You just wait. You wait for the, you wait in the morning either the price to go up around 40, so the up price is around 44.9, let's say 44.92. This is S&P 500 futures, so if it goes here around 9:30, this is good time to sell, and then if it goes below 44, the price is 44.59, let's say 44.60, that's a good area to buy in this zone. So market can be chopping today. I don't know if it's going to be a lot today. Maybe tomorrow is CPI day, so market might be waiting for CPI data at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. So could be just chop. So if you go here, sell. If you go down in green, we'll buy. All right. Same story for Nasdaq 100. Again in the neutral zone. You can see very nicely. Yesterday it was in the sell zone, and now in the neutral zone. If it goes to sell zone again, it's around 15,478. Look to sell. If it goes below 15,129, look to buy. All right. On Dow Jones, though same thing here as well. Sell zones are around 34,727 and buy zones are around 34,507. And Russell 2000, the sell zones are around 1865 and then buy zones is around 1848 and below. All right. Gold is already in the buy zone. Yes, second standard deviation. If it this is very good area to buy. You can buy gold stocks, gold miners, or gold itself, the metal. This is good area to buy. It's in the buy zone. Silver still far from the buy zone. 23.55, 23.572 and below. You would be looking to buy. Natural gas pumping now almost 2% up near second standard deviation. Very good time to take profits if you're holding natural gas. It's lately it's been pretty bullish, but it's not able to sustain above first standard deviation for long. Okay, so if you're in profits, take it. If it dips below white line at minimum neutral, start looking to buy again. The best buys are below green line, which are 2.70 and below. Crude oil also in the sell zone, massive pump right now. You can see it's touching the sell zone just now. 87.72.729 is where it is right now. Perfect area to sell. Dollar is going near the sell zone, so which is good news because we could expect dollar to see weakness. It's coming closer to sell zone. You can see how nicely it came from sell zone to buy. So you can see sell zone here. This was on Friday to buy zone. This was on Monday, and now again it's going all the way up to the sell zone. All right. Bitcoin pump and dump. So it was a dump yesterday. Now again a pump. Let's go to daily chart and see if we see any indicators changing because yesterday I got a green dot, a red dot. Now again it followed by a green dot. Very good news. So we got a green dot. So yesterday I was posting a short video saying I said I need a pump right away, and Bitcoin did that, and it was a fake out move, and now Bitcoin recovered very nicely. Ethereum, I don't see a green dot, but let's focus on Bitcoin. So it's good news for crypto lovers that Bitcoin is recovered. So I'll wait for end of day, and I will let you know if green dot stays and crypto is looking bullish. But it's in the sell zone, Bitcoin right now. If you missed this move yesterday, I was telling everybody post market or end of day update that this is where you want to buy. It's near third standard deviation, and those who bought must be very happy. Almost 4% pump from that time. Stocks, Tesla is just consolidating, came to third standard deviation, just a little bit down. Let me bring this up here like that. So 0.9% down. I don't see Snowflakes is down a little bit. Not sure what happened. There was a gap up, so maybe they want to fill this gap around 166. Nvidia should be in the buy zone. Yeah, this is a good time to buy Nvidia. Remember, there's a gap around 436, so it could come still from here. Let's see, here to around 2%. This can happen in a day, 2.5% drop and then fill this gap. AMD also near buy zone 104 and below. Look to buy AMD. Hang Seng Index near neutral zone, so nothing much to do. Let's look at commodities. Copper in the neutral zone. Let's look at what's selling. Wheat is selling, so wheat is in the buy zone near second standard deviation. Good time to buy. Corn is in the neutral zone, so we ignore. Let's look at gold miners. Newmont mine coming back to the buy zone, so 38.25 and below. Look to buy gold miners. Again, it was gap up yesterday and now gapping down. So everything they made gold miners is gone now. You can see pre-market filling this gap. 28.42 and there's another gap around 28 bucks. That's my target. So if it comes down, fill this gap around 28. That's good area to buy. Let's see if anything else interesting. KRE Regional Bank ETF just touching the buy zone 43 pre-market. So good, everything else is pumping, so I'm gonna ignore these for now. Let's look at any individual stocks. UPS. UPS is down pre-market near third standard deviation. What happened? Something to do with labor dispute and unions. Let's see what else is here. Home Depot in the neutral zone, and UNH also still above buy zone, which is 475.88. Sorry, guys. PFE Pfizer. PFE Pfizer is also nearby zone. Yeah, Nabil, yes, I got a green dot on Bitcoin. I was just telling, maybe you missed it. Uh, on a daily chart, I got green dot on Bitcoin, so which is very good news. You can see on a daily chart, massive candle, and I got a green dot here. You can see buy dot. So yesterday I was telling in a short video that I'm getting a red dot, but we are on support. Okay, this is the support. We are on support, and it's possible Bitcoin is. I want to see 4-5% upside rally. Exactly what we got today. So let's say until end of day, if this holds, then I will provide a short video saying Bitcoin is looking bullish again. However, short term, if I look at my indicators, it's very oversold. So should be looking to take profits here if you're holding Bitcoin. So that's the update on Bitcoin. Let's see any other stocks. Are they selling anything pre-market? Mostly. These are, yeah, nothing interesting here. DPSD, any pre-market stock? SE, no, not yet in the buy zone. AHR, 47.42 is in the buy zone. Zoom is touching buy zone. Target is also touching buy zone. All right, guys, again, look at the levels here. Again, we are ending in a neutral zone. Okay. Uh, James, what you want to see? Sophie. I'll quickly show you levels, okay, on Sophie and others. Let's see. Sophie's near sell zone, massive pump yesterday, so I will be looking to take profits. The resistances are 8.85, 9.06, and 9.24. Okay. Buy zones are 8.44 and below. And what else you say? Para. Para. Para is pre-market up 1.18% near sell zone. So 14.11 is resistance, 14.43 and 14.76. And if it dumps in the morning, 13.25 and below, look to buy Para. And Let me see. Uh, Oops. Disney. Disney is also near sell zone. Pre-market up 0.5%. Just near sell zone. So you can see when yesterday it was in the sell zone. Let me get rid of this so it's clear to you. You can see it's near sell zone. Pre-market is also coming close to sell zone. I will be looking to take profits here. This is short-term chart only for daily chart. So I'm looking to take profits here. If it drops below white line, look to buy again. And WBD, WBD, Warner Bros. Is in the neutral zone. So you can see it sold from sell zone, came close to buy zone. It was in buy zone to sell zone. So it's in the neutral zone. So if it goes above 11.97, look to take profits. If it drops below 11.15, look to buy again. Okay. All right. All right, guys. Again, the zones are here in the middle, neutral zone, 44.92 and up, sell, 44.60 and below, buy. Could be a choppy session. Could sell here, buy here, and Nasdaq again in the neutral zone, 15.475 and up, sell, 15.331 and below, buy. Okay, guys. All right. Good luck. I will talk to you maybe end of day. Take care. Bye.